Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G41, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should open the notification bar, and right there tap once on the Wi-Fi icon to activate Wi-Fi on your device, and then just hold for a while the item and you'll launch the Wi-Fi settings, and then you can now just select one from these available networks. And if you want just to disable to turn off the Wi-Fi, tap here again on the switcher on this icon, and that's it. And the second way how you can do that, you should just go to the settings application and then tap to the network and internet section. Here near the Wi-Fi, tap once on the switcher and go to this Wi-Fi section, and here you can just select one from these available networks. For example, we can go with this one, and now just here you should enter the password for this network. Now we can just see the password by tap here once on this checkbox, and now just connect, tap to connect, and as can you see, our device successfully connected to this network. And if you want to just change the network, select the another one, just go here, you can tap here to disconnect or to forget, for example. And now by the same way, just select one from these networks. And if you want to just turn off your Wi-Fi on your device, just tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.